Hey guys, first of all, welcome to my channel, Classification Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video contains a wide variety of beautiful design ideas that how you can design your dresses with the help of hand art, with the help of hand embroidery, with the help of needle art, and different type of embroidery patterns are being shown. But before going into the further details, I have simple request that please, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, as all of you are seeing, different type of neckline embroidery patterns have been shown. Bot neck embroidery pattern, V-neck embroidery pattern, necklace style embroidery, ankroka style embroidery patterns, side neckline embroidery pattern, left-sided panel embroidery, right-sided motif embroidery, different type of curvature type embroideries, necklace, long neckline, Rani heart style embroidery patterns, and different type of embroidery patterns have been used just to give you more creative and fantasizable unique ideas. In order to enhance the beauty of your dresses more, you can use pearls, beads, mini cutwork, threaded beads, and many more creative type of embellishments or materialistic things onto your very beautiful and simple and easy embroidery patterns, which will make your dresses more formal and more creative as well. The basic and the most important question that which type of embroidery thread you will use to make these patterns, then the answer to this is very simple and easy. You can use anchor, DMC, full, swing thread, and even you can use silky threads as well, with which we make machine embroidery patterns. Silky threads will look amazingly royal onto silk fabric. You can use linen, cotton, corduroy, velvet, organza, chiffon, and many more other stuffs as per your choices for making these very beautiful and extremely eye-catchy embroidery patterns. So with this, allow me to leave. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my upcoming new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave comments so that we could get to know what you feel about our content.